Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. To all returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Is that a glare? Oh, that's the sun. I'm like, anyway, let me see if I can fix that. Thank you so much, you guys, for joining me. Thank you so much for your continued support. Today, I wanted to do a video on what I feel are the best brunch spots in Dallas. I know a lot of people come here and they visit and you hear about the food, you hear about how good it is, you want to know what it's about and where to go and what to do and all that jazz, etc. So I am going to share 15 of the best brunch places that I feel are really good. So please like, comment, and share and subscribe to my channel. I would most greatly appreciate that. I hope everybody is doing great, doing well, feeling good, feeling great. So some of you guys like when I do intros and talk to you a little bit. Other people be like, the video starts at 2 minutes. The video starts at 3 minutes. Just skip all over this. Listen, I want to engage with you. I want to talk to you, engage with you. I want to get to know you. You get to know me. And kind of when you start videos and you just get kind of a little straight to the point, I know I'm the same way. I get straight to the point. But sometimes it's like you want to get to know the person. That way, you know, you kind of know who I am, who you're talking to, or who's talking to you, or, you know, you get a better feel for me as a person. So that's kind of why I be giving my little intros or whatever. But nevertheless, let's get to the point. Let's get started. So first place, my favorite brunch place. My favorite brunch place. I did a video of this, Britches. I love Britches because they have the best chicken and waffles. Their waffles, if you hear sounds, that's Diesel snoring. I love Britches because their waffles are super thick, but kind of not super thick to where it's hard to chew, but it's like Belgian waffle, and they're super fluffy. They have different syrups, they have different hot sauces, like they have a jalapeno syrup and a regular syrup. It's a chicken house, so their chicken is like, I don't know if they marinate it in buttermilk, I don't know what they do, but their batter, everything is so good. The seasoning is super good, and they have amazing service. I know they have a location in Willow Bend Mall as well as in Dallas. So please check them out. They're really good. Check out my video. I'll add the link into the description, but they are really good. It's one of my favorite places. Yolk, located in Dallas. They are good too. My favorite thing there is the strawberry orange juice. They're really affordable. The wait time can get kind of heavy, so if you're gonna go, try to go as early as possible because it gets really, really busy, but their service is cool. But the strawberry orange juice, get that. Cheesecake Factory. The reason why I love the Cheesecake Factory brunch is because I love the fact that you can get the bread. You don't have to just be sitting there waiting on your food. You can have something to nibble on. But their waffles are, I'm a waffle person. Are you a waffle person or a pancake person? Because I'm a waffle person. So most of these you're going to be hearing why I like the waffles. But their waffles are also Belgian style. They're very fluffy as well. So I like that. Now I don't like the chicken that they serve with the chicken and waffles. I don't know why they don't serve the tenders that they serve for dinner with their chicken and waffles. I feel like the chicken that they serve with the waffles are like smaller, and I almost feel like it's like, is it dipped in cereal before they fry it? I don't know. But nevertheless, I just started ordering bacon with my waffle. So try that at your own risk. You may like it, but me, I want chicken. I want my chicken. I want my chicken strips. I want the real deal Holyfield. So, but I go there for their waffles. Their migas is really good. I also end up ordering appetizers. So the Cheesecake Factory, their ambiance as well. Their ambiance is really cool too, so that's why I like them. Breadwinners Cafe. There's several of those in the DFW area. I love Breadwinners Cafe because they serve you a basket of little like muffins and pastries while you wait for your food. Their chicken and waffles are good, but their waffles are not like the other previous ones I just mentioned, but still good nonetheless. But they give you a big chicken breast, which is what I like, and they have really good ranch as well, but they have really good like pastries and stuff. They also serve like really good mimosas. So Breadwinners Cafe is good as well. I know there's one located in North Park, and I know there's also one located off of Preston in Plano area. Those are typically the two I end up going to. So check them out, they're really good. So Jonathan's is located in Oak Cliff over near the Bishop Arts District. They are really good. I haven't been there myself. I've been trying to get over there, but it's not close to me. But I heard that they have amazing food. If you go on Yelp and check out their pictures, they have really good food. And I've heard several people tell me that their food is great. I just haven't been over there, but I do feel safe enough to recommend them. It is like a kind of a little house, so I'm pretty sure they get crazy and get busy. So if you're gonna go, try to go as early as you can. Blue Mesa Grill. Now, I don't know if their brunch is still happening due to the situation that's happening right now, due to the, I don't want to say the word because it might get flagged, but you know, the situation that we in right now. But Blue Mesa Grill had one of the best brunches that I have ever had. They offer free chips and salsa, waffle bars, salad bars, enchiladas, hash browns, regular potatoes, banana Fosters, ice cream. Like, Blue Mesa Grill's brunch is freaking mind-blowing. It is like $25 a person, but when I tell you, you will eat so much, you probably won't even eat the next day. Blue Mesa Grill's brunch, bomb. So I don't know if they're still doing it right now. I haven't been personally, but if you want to check it out, I highly recommend their brunch. Ellen's in Dallas. They're located by the Spaghetti Factory downtown near Gators and all that down there. So Ellen's is really good. For me, I think that the pancakes were a little too thick for my taste, but they were so big, they covered my entire plate. And like I said, I'm more of a waffle person, so when I don't eat, like I can finish a waffle depending on how hungry I am, but with pancakes, I don't know, for some reason it's more filling. So I only ate maybe half of a pancake. They gave me two, and the two filled my plate, and the plates were big. So if you have a big appetite or you want to share with your friend or share with your partner, definitely check out Ellen's. The ambiance is really cool. It wasn't a long wait. The service was really nice, but they serve a lot of food, so be prepared for that. I mean, it's definitely Texas portion sized, so So definitely check out Ellen's. I'm stuttering. I'm sorry, you guys. Yes, check out Ellen's. I highly recommend them as well. Buzzbrews. I know there's a Buzzbrews in Deep Ellum. There's one off of 75. Buzzbrews is really good. I really enjoyed their breakfast, but their main key point is their coffee. They have a lot of different coffees, a lot of different ways to make the coffee. It's like a Starbucks with breakfast food. So check out Buzzbrews if you're into coffees, because you will get all kind of different coffees and ideas and stuff. Their menu is also really good. They have a lot of stuff to offer. I had their pancakes before. I really recommend them. So definitely try Buzzbrews. The Original Pancake House. I know that there's one in Addison off of Beltline, and I know that there's one in Frisco off of 121. Original Pancake House, I recommend as well. Their food is really good. Their pancakes are really good. Their price is super affordable, which is why I like them. Also, be mindful, go as early as you can, because that wait will end up being like a cool hour. So just be mindful. Anytime you go to brunch, just try to go as early as you can, because if you're trying to go at 11, 12, you're gonna wait. So me, I get up and be the first person there. I don't really like to wait too long. When I'm hungry, I start, getting hangry. So if you can, be there as early as possible, but their food is really good, and I highly recommend them as well. Biscuit Bar in Plano. I actually have a video of them. Either I'm gonna post it or it's coming, but it'll be here soon. But Biscuit Bar is really good. I think that you need to be mindful of the kind that you order, because on the video I did say it's kind of like I had like basically the Chick-fil-A sandwich, but it's just really cool if you want to just have something quick and easy. They have good drinks, so it's definitely good for a brunch spot. They have a lot of different sandwiches. I just ordered the most basic one for whatever reason, but I definitely recommend Biscuit Bar if you want to go for somewhere that's quick and easy, and just, it may not be a lot of people, so it may not be a long line the way you have to wait in other restaurants. So definitely check them out. Their vibe is really cute as well. They have one in Deep Ellum, and they have one over there in Frisco at the Boardwalk area off of 121, actually not too far from the Pancake House. So check out Biscuit Bar. So Maple Street Biscuit Company, I haven't had a chance to go to them. They are located in Frisco. I recommend them because I've been on Yelp and I've looked at their pictures. I just haven't had a chance to go. The couple of places I haven't had a chance to go is because I've been super busy. So these are on my list of places to go and try. But I do feel comfortable enough with the reviews and the pictures enough to say try it out. So Maple Street Biscuit Company in Frisco. Whiskey Cake in Plano. I love Whiskey Cake. The thing that I enjoyed the most there was their fried green tomatoes. I don't know if you've ever had those. They're super good. They're like battered, they're fried, and they give you like remoulade sauce. So it's not a lot of places that actually serve fried green tomatoes. So for the fact that they have them, I really like them. I really recommend them. Their drinks are super good. It's super affordable. It's located right off of Tollway in Plano. Yardbird Southern Table in Dallas. This was actually a place I had planned on going to, and my brunch date, you know who you are, canceled on me last minute. So I haven't had a chance to go over to them, but I do feel safe and comfortable enough to recommend them. Their menu is extensive. It's a cute little ambiance. It's located in Dallas, so check them out. I definitely would recommend Yardbird. The chicken and waffles is what I want to try, so once I do, I definitely will try to vlog them and show you guys what it offers. But I do feel comfortable enough to recommend them, so try it. Yardbird in Dallas. Snooze AM Eatery, they have several of these throughout the DFW area. I recommend them. They just have basic breakfast, nothing, you know, to rave about in my opinion, but they really have good breakfast. It's legit. It's pretty good. Like you can't really go wrong. So I definitely recommend Snooze AM if you're trying to just get you a quick little breakfast. Like I said, I'm pretty sure that they get packed as well. I went when it first opened, so I didn't have to wait, but I know by the time I was leaving, it was getting crowded. So check them out. Last but not least, Lolo's Chicken and Waffles. So I actually have a video of them in the video that I did with my second tour. So Lolo's Chicken and Waffles is located in Euless. I want to say it's Euless, but they are really good. They have really good chicken and waffles. I mean, think of Roscoe's, but bigger. Like they originated in Phoenix. So, but they're here in Texas. I think it's the only one that's located in the state of Texas. So it's either in Euless or Bedford. It's one of those, but they're located off of Highway 121. So check them out. Lolo's Chicken and Waffles. If I'm wrong with Euless or Bedford, please forgive me, but I think it's for sure one of those two. Just look up Lolo's Chicken and Waffles in Dallas and it'll come up. But their waffle is super good. I love their chicken. They serve big chicken. And then they also have the best Arnold Palmer's. They have drinks, like they have alcohol drinks. So check them out. Be mindful because a lot of people who are here who wants that Roscoe's feel, they're going to Lolo's. So it's starting to get more known and get more popular because people are realizing that they are here. So be mindful of going to them and what time you're heading over there. But they are really good. I recommend them as well. So with that said, see, I try to keep it short. Look, I'm only at like 13, 14 minutes. Look, see, I got through this real quick, right? So these are my 15 best places that I feel that has great brunch. I know there are a couple other places that I probably haven't hit or been to yet. There is one place, but I don't want to say them because I don't think I'm gonna ever get in there. It's oh gosh, I ain't gonna include this. Yeah, so there's a lot of places that I haven't been to. There's a lot of places that I didn't include. I want to keep the list, you know, short and sweet. So if you guys have any suggestions, drop them below. If there's a place that I haven't been to that you would like for me to try and review, drop it below. If you have any, you know, places that you recommend to other people, travelers, drop it below. So with that said, I would love to hear from you. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will most greatly appreciate it. Please follow me on IG at LoveSomeLotta. If you need some life coaching or if you need some advice on moving to Texas or, you know, just anywhere and you want to talk about it and, you know, just get some, you know, helpful advice, you know how to contact me. You can contact me on my page on YouTube. You can book me on my tab on Instagram, and please just let me know. So anyways, I will end this video here. Talk to you later. Stay well, stay safe, and stay healthy. And I shall talk to you guys on the next video. Mwah.